everyone, you are welcome on our YouTube channel Japanese Phones.com, the world of the Japanese phones and smartphones. Today we have the device directly from Japan, which is called SONY Xperia XZ. The model is 601 SO for Japanese carrier Softbank. It's a Japanese market version, Android smartphone. Also, this one is flagship phone with a full metal body. Body is made of alkylate, which is a new form of aluminium, designed in conjunction with a cope steel. The Japan market version, like this one, alkylate body, is made in Japan, 100% at cope steel factories. This device has powerful Qualcomm Snapdragon 820 CPU plus 3 GB RAM, so it's a cool device. Also, here is the triluminous display plus Bravia engine plus XX reality engine. Now the XZ also using a laser AF sensor, it's autofocus sensor, and RGB CIR sensor for improved focus and picture quality in low light. The cameras are really incredible because the rear camera is 23 megapixel and the front camera is 13 megapixel. It's really enough for different capturing videos or photos with a really amazing quality. The main display is 5.2-inch triluminous Full HD display. The full metal body around all the sides and also back. It's really cool looking from all sides. Let's look around. GPU Adreno 530, memory 32 GB ROM and 3 GB RAM. It supports 2G, 3G and also 4G networks worldwide because it's an unlocked device. The size is 146 height and 72 wide, and also the thickness is 8.1 millimeters. The battery size is 2900 mAh. It's really enough for good working up to 2 days with the normal using, and the weight is 161 grams. Really cool looking thing, and also it's only for Japanese market. Thank you for attention. You are always welcome on our YouTube channel Japanese Phones.com.